Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm making Irish potato cakes, also known as potato farls if you live in Northern Ireland. These are a great way to use up mashed potato, but I'll be making them from scratch today, and I'm just going to use some rooster potatoes for these. Any potato will do to make these Irish potato cakes. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is peel these potatoes, and then we're going to just cut them up and boil them. We used to have these very often as children. My mum made them a lot. There was always potatoes left over, so rather than wasting them, she made potato cakes. Now I'm going to chop these up into a cube so they boil really quick. When you have them cut up, we can put them into a saucepan. We're just going to cover these in water now and get them onto some heat. Bring to the boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Check with a skewer to make sure they're nice and soft in the centre. When you're happy, remove from the heat and drain the water off them. Allow the potatoes to cool slightly before placing in a bowl. Add in the melted butter and give them a good mash until nice and smooth. Add in salt and then the self-raising flour. You can use plain flour either. Mix it in. Use your hands to bring it together into a nice smooth ball. Get it onto a floured surface and knead it a little, cut in half and shape each half into a ball. Press down and make a round shape with about a 1/3 thickness. Then cut into quarters. Cook on a medium-high heat until golden. There's no need for butter or oil or anything. You can use a little flour on the pan if you want. Then flip them over and cook on the other side. These are perfect potato cakes. No better way to enjoy these Irish potato cakes than with some bacon, egg, tomato and sausages. Just look at that. Another lovely way to enjoy these potato cakes is straight from the pan, warm, with butter on them. They're absolutely gorgeous. I really hope you try out my Irish potato cakes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow my page. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!